Hello everyone, today we will talk about how the blockchain formed. Okay, so here we using a term called block and chain, which means the chaining of the block, which means uh, it is a proof that you are the part of the chain. Okay, so here, so first you should focus on this part, previous hash and hash. Okay, so first we will understand this. Okay, so here let's take an example of a biology subject. Okay, in biology we having a DNA and a genetics. Okay, so let's take genetics. Okay, let's suppose this is your grandfather genetics. Okay, and your grandfather height was 5 foot 9 inch. Okay, and your grandfather have also have a sharp beard. Okay, and this is your grandfather genetics. Okay, this is your grandfather genetics. Okay, and he also have 5 foot 9 inch and also have some beard. Okay, sharp beard. Okay, again the next generation happening, when the next generation are means when the next generation are coming. Okay, this is your father generation. Okay, so this is your grandfather genetic, and this is your father genetics. Okay, so here we can see that this is a previous has stored in this generation and has इस मीन्स अब बायोलॉजी में हम समझा रहे हैं, बायोलॉजी में समझ ये बायोलॉजी का टर्म है, इसीलिए हम बायोलॉजी में समझा रहे हैं. और ये है आपका दिस इज योर फादर जेनेटिक्स. ओके, एंड योर फादर हाइट वाज 5 foot 8 inch and also have a sharp beard. Okay, so same as for it will store previous hash of your father, and this is your hash, means this is the next generation. Okay, this is your hash. Okay, so here we can see that the genetics and DNA used as a reference for the proof of you are the part of the chain of this generation and that generation. Okay, the same applies for in blockchain when you creating a new block. Okay, so here we have a block number 1 when the new block is created. Okay, so here the previous has will may have 000 because no any block was created. Okay, so when the block 1 was created, then it will create a hash, new hash. Okay, and some data when you creating a new block, means when you adding a data in a new block, it will create a hash. Okay, so it will create a new hash when you create first block. Okay, again it will store previous hash and it will create a new hash. Okay, so same applies for block 3, block 4 and so on. So that's how the blockchain are found. Okay, and how it is safe to store the data. Okay, thank you. So that is an example of how the blockchain formed by the help of previous hash and hash. Okay, so thank you.